Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Missinglettr, a social media automation tool that offers a lifetime deal. I'll be sharing my thoughts on the deal, as well as some tips on how to get the most out of Missinglettr. What is Missinglettr Lifetime Deal? Missinglettr Lifetime Deal is a special offer that gives you lifetime access to Missinglettr for a one-time payment of $49. This is a great deal as Missinglettr normally costs $19 per month. What's included in Missinglettr Lifetime Deal? The Missinglettr Lifetime Deal includes all of the features of the Missinglettr Pro plan, including the ability to connect your blog or website to Missinglettr, the ability to automatically create and schedule social media posts, the ability to add hashtags and track your analytics, the ability to use Missinglettr's AI-powered content curation tool, the ability to access Missinglettr's library of pre-made social media templates. Is Missinglettr Lifetime Deal worth it? Whether or not Missinglettr Lifetime Deal is worth it for you depends on your needs and budget. If you're a blogger or content creator who wants to save time and grow your audience, then Missinglettr is a great tool. And if you're willing to invest in a lifetime deal, then Missinglettr Lifetime Deal is a great way to save money in the long run. How to get the most out of Missinglettr Lifetime Deal. Here are a few tips on how to get the most out of Missinglettr Lifetime Deal. Connect your blog or website to Missinglettr. Create a content calendar and schedule your social media posts in advance. Use hashtags to reach a wider audience. Track your analytics to see what's working and what's not. Use Missinglettr's AI-powered content curation tool to find relevant content to share. Access Missinglettr's library of pre-made social media templates to save time. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Missinglettr Lifetime Deal. If you're interested in getting the deal, I recommend acting quickly, as it's not always available. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more social media marketing tips.